When you sell t-shirts on platforms that are not your own sites, it's a good idea to make people remember you so they will buy from you again. It's also a good idea to do this when you sell on your own site. Printful gives you tools to help with your branding without needing to print and store the t-shirts yourself. Let's see what Printful offers to help your brand grow. Explore the different options for branding yourself. In your account, go to the left menu and select More. Then click on Branding. There you'll find a list of options. The first option is adding your logo to the packing slip that Printful prints, as well as the page for tracking shipping. You can also have custom packaging, designing, or include cards inside the package. Additionally, you can add your logo to the product itself, depending on the product. Some branding options will cost extra, while others are free. I'll share what I've found about which options are free and which one might cost more to add your branding. Clicking on each of the options will take you to the page where you can set up the branding. The first two options are free to use, and you can set them up for your entire store from the store setting. This will take you to the same page where you can add your logo and custom message. You can add your logo to the packing slip. Include your email if you want, and even add a custom message. There is also an option to customize the order page so that customers see your branding. Additionally, you can change the page language if you prefer something other than English. A list of languages is available for you to choose from. For the logo, Printful provides instruction on what you need to upload. The first logo will be printed in black and white on the packing slip, so make sure it looks good in black and white. When you click here, you can preview how it will look after they print it. You can include contact information on the packing split if you like, so customers can reach out to you if there is a problem. For the tracking page, your logo will appear there as well. You can also include a call to action to direct customers to your email list or your website. On the landing page, you can offer them a coupon for the next purchase. Even if you are not planning to do much branding, it's a good idea to at least add your store's logo. The next options are not free. Click on the third option to set your package design. Here you can create your own packaging so that when someone orders from you, Printful will package the product in your custom packaging. You need to design and print the packaging and send it to be stored in Printful warehouse. This way, whenever someone buys from you, they can pack the order with your branded package. To get to the packaging to Printful, you first need to find a supplier for it. Printful provides some options to help you with this. Before printing, you need to enter the details of the packaging, including the image, title, and dimension. Once they approve it, you can print the package and send it to be stored in Printful warehouse. You'll need to create a dimension for each product packaging, so they can store it in their warehouse. To manage packaging, you can click on Warehouse, where you will find all the options for storing items for your customers. They also have a calculator to show you how much it will cost you to store the branded packaging. Back on the branding page, you'll see similar options for adding packaging freebies to your product, like sticker or pins. For the freebies, this could be cards, stickers, or anything similar. You can print them with Printful and store them here, or you can print them elsewhere and send them to Printful. Either way, you need to fill out a form for the extras so they know which product you want to add them to and where to store them in the warehouse. You can set different freebies for different products, as well as the packaging. After getting approved for both, you can set them up with specific products. Go to More, then Branding, and then Branding Presets. You can also find this in the last option of the branding page. Once everything is ready, you'll see an option to connect the right product to the right package or freebie. If you decide to add these custom options, it's very important to include the additional costs when calculating the product price. This way, you won't lose money when adding all these extras. The next option is not something you'll store in the warehouse, and it can only be added to certain products. This is for inside or outside labels, which are printed directly on the product. You should add these labels during the product creation process. For example, if you're creating a t-shirt, click on it and you'll see where you can add prints. If you have labels, you can add them there. When you add any design, you'll see how much it adds to the product cost, which help you to calculate the profit you want for that product. You can also add labels to other products like hats when using the embroidery option. I think all of these options are great to have if you already have a strong brand and want to enhance it further. It also makes sense if you have enough sales to justify printing and storing in advance. However, any branding that can be added per product or is free is a different story. You can start using those options right from the beginning, even if you don't have consistent sales, since you don't need to deal with costs of printing and storing in advance. If you pay for a Printful subscription with a growth plan, you get some discounts on the branding option. If you want to learn more about Printful, watch this video next. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.